Number 18, graph the system of inequalities. Okay, we're going to graph 3x minus 2y is less than 6, and we're going to graph x is less than 3. Two different inequalities. Let's start with the left one first. Let x be 0 so we can get an easy point here and take that left one, but set this as an equation here so I can graph a line. When we graph the line, we'll graph a dashed line so it can be less than, but right now set it equal to 6. And put 0 in here. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 2y is negative 2y. Divide by negative 2, then y will be 6. So when x is 0, y will be 3. So when x is 0, y will be negative 3. Graph that point and look back up here into my original equation here. You have 3x minus 2y. You're going to put the 3 on the top and the negative 2 on the bottom, and then change the sign of it. So you're going to have a slope of 3/2. And it's going to point offward to the right here because it's a plus slope. Graph that first point, then go up 3 from here, and go over 2 to the right. It's going to go to the right. Negative slopes go to the left. This is going to go up to the right, going to get another point, and then keep on doing that. Go up 3 and over 2, up 3 and over 2, get another point, and draw the line with a dashed line. So that's our dashed line. Now let's draw the other one here. We'll start off with x is less than 3. Let x be 3. This is going to be the line where x is 3. We're going to graph the line. Then we'll put a dashed line where x is 3. We'll say, what if y is 0? What's x? Well, then say these words. X equals what? 3. If y is 1, then let x equal what? 3. If y is 2, x is 3. If y is a negative 1, x is 3. So we graph these points here. We'll graph the point 3, 0, 3, 0, go up to 3, 1, 3, 2, go down to 3, negative 1, and draw a dashed line through these points. This is the line x equals 3. And a dashed line will represent an inequality. Now we have to figure out which part of these we have to shade in. Notice the word and here. Okay, that's going to be have a big impact upon our graph. Okay, let's take our original inequality. Give me a test point. Let's use the origin right here, and we'll see if the origin works. I'm going to shade in on top of the red line. If the origin doesn't work, I'm going to shade below the red line. So let's test the point 0, 0 out and see if we get a true statement here. Put 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0. That's 0 minus 0 is less than 6. This is a true statement. So because we can darken in the origin, we're going to darken in all of these. Okay? Now, let's look at the green line and use the test point 0, 0 again. Okay, we're going to look at the green line where x is less than 3. Test out 0, 0. Put 0 in for the x. You're getting a true statement. So where the origin works, we're going to graph in points to the left of the green line. Now with an and, we have to do things that are red and green. Okay? Up here, this is above the red line, but it's to the right of the green line. So we can't use this right here. And this down here is green, but it's not red. To be with an and, we're going to have one quadrant. Now here's a little point here. We're going to have two lines. Okay? Two lines give us an x. How many quadrants does it divide this thing in? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. The and is going to take one quadrant. If this had been or, like on the next example, I would have 3 quadrants.